Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is proof that I'm here at Yosemite National Park, doing what I've always wanted to do. Oh, they're still there. And that's a nice photo too.
That's good.
They're by the water. You're like, oh, it's just deer.
Yeah.
Well, if they were elk. Those deer have been there. They're not playing. They're taking their time. So from here, it's about, let's see, I think it was like 6:09. Well, I think about 10 minutes. I think that was like our halfway point or something, or less. I'm sorry, but we need those snow chains.
Is it skidding?
I don't know. No, it's not. But is there any snow, like, system or whatever it's supposed to be on? I'm kind of freaking out here.
No, if you drive slow.
Okay.
Whoever's behind you can overtake if they want.
Press record. Oh yeah, this is proof that I'm here at Yosemite National Park, doing what I've always wanted to do. And I actually see, I don't know if it's a coyote or if it's a gray. It's too small to be a gray wolf. Okay, I'm gonna go, okay? He looks like he got hit by a car though. Look at his mouth.
Okay.
Gosh, it's a waterfall. I've never seen one. I've never seen a real waterfall in my life. You can hear it from here. Listen. Look how high that mountain is, way up there. We're down here, it's way up there. Oh my gosh. It's incredible. Okay, the loudest thing right now is the Aphiwe. Hey, yeah. Daddy up. Aphiwe, Aphiwe, this is mommy's dream. This is mommy's dream. Aphiwe, look at that waterfall. It's amazing.
See the car right now. Is it there? What? Okay, so then our campground is somewhere down there.
Hey, baby.
It's south of Yellowstone. It's very close.
Just south, okay.
I mean, within 2 hours.
Oh.
It's there.
Wow.
Yellowstone was nice. But it checked in about 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
So.
I got a permit to hike it tomorrow, so if the conditions are nice, I'm going on.
You have to go up
All the way up, yes.
Come on.
Our room. No joke. View from right outside our cabin. Look. This is how boulders are created. They fall off of this.
Run, buddy. Run.
That's crazy. It's pretty awesome.
I wonder if we can get Aphiwe in the picture. Hmm?
Not at all? Not cold at all?
What?
Not cold at all? Let's see.
Once you get in there, it's a little chill. Oh, he did it. Woo.
Told you.
It's not cold, is it, Lindo? Ooh. Yosemite National Park. Mirror Lake. May. Freezing. How cold is it, Lindo?
You saw me under the water, man.
Mm-hmm.
No, go. Aphiwe.
where are you right now? Aphiwe, where are you? How's the water?
It's good.
Yeah? Let me get some of that water. Ooh. Let me get some. Pop the top. What? That's what water tastes like.
No?
Not like that nasty bottle stuff. That tastes like water. It doesn't taste like that Walmart brand. Yeah, let me take a couple shots. Papa? I can see the snow up there on those mountains.